Hi, let's have a look at how we can make hollandaise very simply and very easily. I'll go through the ingredients. You need 115 grams of salted butter, lemon juice, white wine vinegar and a single large egg. So first thing we're going to do is separate out the white from the yolk. The reason I'm keeping the white is that if you want to make the much lighter foaming hollandaise, which goes particularly well with things like asparagus, you need to keep the white. So there we go, that's one egg yolk into a blender. Then take 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, one tablespoon of lemon juice, and we put that on to warm quickly. That's very quick. Now this is 115 grams of salted butter. You put this, use a separate pan, but it's just as easy to do it in the same pan. It's quite useful to have a pan with a pouring spout. You'll see why in a moment. Stop. Okay, you'll find that your white wine and vinegar and lemon will be very quickly buzzing away. So move over to our stick blender, put it into the egg yolk, quick whiz, and then pour in a mix, and that is your egg yolk cold. We're now waiting for the butter to come to a bubbling stage when it's all melted. Okay, that's our butter melted and bubbling away. Take it off the heat, come back to your blender, and this is the only tricky bit. So I like to tilt it slightly on its side, simply to make pouring easier. Off you go. The plan is that you dribble this butter in over about 30 seconds, a little at a time, spinning all the time. You'll hear as when the engine note changes, that's the hollandaise forming. That's all in, maybe onto the faster speed. That is delicious hollandaise sauce. Right, if the hollandaise is a little bit thick, the way to thin it down is just put a little bit of water with it. Now if I can just tell you about foaming hollandaise, put your egg white into a bowl, beat it up. You can use the beater attachment that goes on this, beat that up, and when you reach soft peaks, stir the not hot, let it cool down a bit while you're beating the eggs. Stir the hollandaise in and you have a much lighter hollandaise sauce, particularly good with asparagus. I hope you enjoy it.